Hi everyone, my name is Brellias. I'm a 3D artist and director from Chile. My work specializes in surreal imagery with topics of nostalgia, human connection, nature, and abandonment. In this series of tutorials, I'm going to walk you through my process, showing you how to achieve this piece using Blender. Before opening Blender, I like to look for inspiration. So I look up pins on Pinterest and start looking for things that interest me. In this case, Pinterest already has an idea of what I like, so it just shows it at me and I just have to scroll down until I see something cool. I can also search for topics that interest me. In this case, I just search for abandoned. When I find something cool looking, I can just copy it and paste it wherever I keep my references. I use a free program called PureRef. After that, I keep looking for stuff to build an idea. Like this, which also looks interesting. I can even prototype how I would like the final artwork to look like, sort of. After that, I put the references where I need them. If I think the idea still needs some work, I can always go back and refine it a bit. With this said, I think I'm ready to start working in Blender.